An overflowing blessing to everyone for our daily verse. We're now at Genesis chapter 24, verse 10 up to 14. Soon after that, the servant loaded 10 of Abraham's camel with valuable gifts. Then he set out for the city of in northern Syria, where Abraham's brother Nahor lived. When he got there, he let the camel rest near the well outside the city. It was late afternoon, the time when the woman came out for water. The servant prayed, "You, Lord, are the God of my master Abraham's worship. Please keep your promise to him and let me find a wife for Isaac today. The young women of the city will soon come to this well for water, and I will ask one of them for a drink. If she gives me a drink and then offer to get some water for my camel, I will show I will know she is the one you have chosen, that and that you have kept your promise to my master." So in this passage, we can see the obedience of the servants of Abraham. He did everything that Abraham told him to do, and he is even asking for a divine intervention for the fulfillment of that promise to Abraham.